Hello, I'm Brian Essa from How to Automotive, and today I wanted to talk to you about shop lighting. So right now it's daylight savings, it's getting dark really early, the shops are really dim, a lot of shops are poorly lit in the first place, and I wanted to show you what I use for shop light, so stay tuned for that. So as you can see, it's 4:30 and it's already starting to get dark out, and my shop is poorly lit, not very well lit. And I'm working on this van here, and as you can see, it's lit up like a Christmas tree. And the reason why is because I use the Rocket Light by Milwaukee Tools. This is a tower light. I use this as kind of like a spotlight. So what I'll do here is I'll show you what it looks like before and after with the light off. So as you can see with the light off, it's pretty poorly lit. Here it is with the light back on, and it's lit up like a Christmas tree. This is a corded tool or a battery power tool. So it's designed to work with all the M12 batteries, so the 2-hour, the 4-hour, 6-hour amp batteries. This is a 12-volt system here. It has an on-off switch and a mode switch for basically a high and low light. Setup on the thing is super easy. You just squeeze the tabs here, extend the legs down, and then once you get the legs extend down and locked in, you can put your battery in, snap it into place. Now you can extend your boom to your desired depth. It has 2 heights on this particular model. Fully extended, the boom is at 5 feet 8 inches, and the lower setting's at 3 feet. So when you turn it on high, we're going to have 1400 lumens of bright light, and on low is 700 lumens. So this is the M12 Rocket Light. This is the one I use as a spotlight. So this next tool is probably my most used tool in the shop, and that's the Milwaukee Tools M12 Underhood Light. It has a sturdy aluminum frame that's adjustable to fit just about every hood. You can remove the light from the aluminum frame, and it uses all the M12 batteries. It has 2 light setting modes. It has a high and a low. It has a fuel gauge, so you turn it on here, you can see your battery life. On high, you got 1350 lumens with about 4 hours of runtime. On low, you got 600 lumens with about almost 8 hours of runtime. And you can see how much light it throws in the engine bay here. Really lights it up. Makes it really nice for working on it, especially in the daylight savings times. Setup of the light is super easy. It's spring loaded. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hook one end of the rubber pads on the hood, and you'll pull the spring-loaded aluminum frame here until it stretches long enough to fit on the other side. You can slide the light back and forth. The full length is stretched to 72 inches, and you can go down to 48 inches, so you can get those real small cars, or you can work on something like this Chevy van here. And you can do it from either left or right side. And like I said, you can slide the light back and forth to help adjust it. It swivels left and right to fine-tune the lighting. The rubber pads on the end of it are very soft but very durable. I've been using this for almost 2 years now, every day, and there's no wear on the rubber pads. They hook right over the hood, and I've never scratched or damaged any hoods, and I've used this on hundreds of vehicles now. So if you're interested in picking up these lights, I will leave links for them down in the description. I'm Brian Essa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.